Are you in search of an innovative additive that improves compatibility, adhesion, and mechanical properties in your polymer formulations? Today, we will explore the industry-leading SI Group POLYBOND additives and their potential to transform your formulations. POLYBOND is a family of maleic anhydride grafted polyolefins that act as compatibilizers, adhesion promoters, and coupling agents in polymer formulations. Whether you are working with polypropylene, polyethylene, or engineering resins, POLYBOND enhances dispersion, bonding, and mechanical strength in filled or blended systems. POLYBOND 3200 is a high molecular weight, maleic anhydride grafted polypropylene. This product is perfect for coupling glass fibers and mineral fillers to PP for better reinforcement, boosts adhesion between dissimilar polymers, especially in fiber-reinforced composites, and improves mechanical properties such as impact strength, flexural modulus, and thermal resistance. If you are developing automotive parts, industrial plastics, or high-performance composites, POLYBOND 3200 is an ideal solution to increase strength, durability, and overall performance. Now, let's explore POLYBOND 3029, a maleic anhydride grafted polyethylene that addresses problems by improving polymers' mechanical and physical properties. POLYBOND 3029 enhances adhesion in polyethylene-based formulations, improves filler dispersion, especially with inorganic fillers and natural fibers, and enables strong bonding in multilayer films, wires, cables, pipes, and coatings. If you develop halogen-free flame retardant wire and cable compounds, POLYBOND 3029 works as a coupling agent to improve mechanical performance by strengthening the bond between the polyethylene insulation and the filler. Okay, formulators, let's talk real-world challenges, the kind that keeps you up at night in the lab. Problem 1. Poor filler dispersion and weak interfacial bonding. Solution: POLYBOND 3200 improves the dispersion of glass fibers, talc, and other fillers, preventing agglomeration and improving strength. Problem 2. Delamination in multilayer films and packaging. Solution: POLYBOND 3029 enhances interfacial bonding, preventing layer separation and improving film integrity. Problem 3. Adhesion issues in polypropylene and polyethylene blends. Solution: both POLYBOND 3200 and 3029 act as compatibilizers, improving adhesion between dissimilar resins. Bottom line? POLYBOND products eliminate weak interfaces, brittle failures, and adhesion issues, saving you time, money, and headaches in R&D. So, whether you are working on high-performance composites, adhesives, coatings, or packaging materials, SI Group POLYBOND has a solution for stronger, more durable, and more reliable formulations. Want to learn more? Check out the links below for datasheets, formulation guides, and expert insights. Like this video? Subscribe for more polymer science tips, material breakthroughs, and product innovations from SI Group. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.